Logic Pro X quick tip, MIDI chase. What is it? Well, basically, when you work with your music composition and production in the sequencer, you will play back your track thousands of times and from many different places inside your project. The problem is that MIDI notes rely on a starting point, and if you start playback in the middle of, let's say, a long chord, you will not hear that chord. So everything works okay with MIDI as long as you play before each MIDI note starts. So if I play from the beginning, that works. And if I play, let's say from here, you can see these longer chords. Let me zoom in a bit. That works okay. The problem is when I start playback, let's say from here, nothing. From here, nothing. And when you have lots of tracks going on, you often want to start from various positions, and it can be a pain when you don't hear those chords. For example, sometimes a note can go on for many bars, and you need to go back here to start triggering that note to hear it. Solution: activate MIDI chase. Let me show you how. So the MIDI chase feature is a project setting. So you need to go up to File, Project Settings, then to MIDI, then to Chase, then activate Notes here, Sustained, and also down here, Chase on Cycle Jump. I activate this as well. So Notes and here. And then you can close this, and now if I try playing back from here again, so Logic will now actually play back all of these notes even if I start playback in the middle of the MIDI note. Let me show you. I can now start playing back here in the middle of this chord, and you still hear it, or here, or here. It will work from anywhere. Amazing! Now make sure that you try out this tip in Logic Pro X yourself. Personally, I have this feature active at all times when I compose and produce music. My name is Mike, and I will see you in the next video. Do you want to truly master Logic Pro X for composing and producing music? Then join my Facebook group Logic Pro X for Professionals right now.